Have you ever wanted to turn your favorite song into a clean instrumental? Maybe for singing practice, remixing, TikTok edits, YouTube intros, or even beat making. But every website you try either reduces the sound quality or asks you to pay? Well, today, I have something powerful for you. By watching this video to the end, you will know how to use a free website that removes either the vocals or the instrumentals of a music clearly, without any hustle. Welcome to Highly Practicals, where I show you simple tech tricks that make your life easier. The website we're using today is called vocalremover.org. Just open your browser and type Vocal Remover. Then click on the first result. Once the website loads, you will see a very simple interface. Tap Browse My Files and choose the song you want to separate either the vocals or the instrumentals from it. And give it a few seconds to process. Now what the website is doing is using AI to split your track into two parts: the vocals and the instrumental. This process is called source separation, and the AI is trained to recognize human voice frequencies and isolate them from the background music. After processing, you can play both versions by clicking on this play button. Listen to the vocals track by dragging this button from 100% to 0%. Then listen to the instrumental track also by dragging this button from 100% to 0%. If everything sounds good, just click on the Save button, and the file will be saved directly to your device. It's really that simple. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and subscribe to Highly Practicals. I share simple but powerful tech tools, websites, and tricks every week to make your work easier. Tap the like button to help this video reach others who need it. And turn on notifications so you don't miss my next tutorial. Try the website right now. And tell me in the comments section how clean your instrumental or the vocal of the uploaded music came out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.